In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Marvel Rivals GPU crash. Now keep in mind this is a problem with Unreal Engine, so for some people this is not fixable at this moment. However, you still might want to try these and see if it works for you. The first step is you want to find Marvel Rivals, go to Properties, Installed Files, verify integrity of game files. Once you've done that, come back to General. In Launch Options, you want to type in -dx12. Try and launch the game now and see if it works. If it still doesn't work, go to Installed Files, Browse, find the launcher, right-click, Properties, Compatibility. Then try and activate these two. Check if it works now. Otherwise, also try and activate compatibility mode and try both Windows 8 and also Windows 7 just to see which one works. So apply an OK and then test it. Once you've done this, you should also come here and search for Device Manager. Go to Display Adapters, right-click on your GPU and update the driver. Once you've done that, make sure you also install the software for your driver. So just Google the name of your GPU, not mine, but the name of your GPU and then type in software. And in my case, it's going to be the NVIDIA one. Once you're in here, go to Drivers, check for updates and take the latest driver. Once you've done all of this, try and restart your PC and see if this fixes the issue. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.